Hey YouTube, quick tips here again. I just deleted my mid-muffler. I want to bring you guys some options in case you're thinking about deleting the exhaust for your Durango. I have a Dodge Durango RT 2018. I wanted a little more horsepower and a little more growl. My car sounded like a little bitch, so I had to go ahead and delete this guy. So I just came from the muffler shop, got the mid-muffler deleted, and I got two exhausts called Thrush. These guys, they growl. I originally had two Flowmaster Super 44s. However, if you go to Dodge, if you get a Dodge Durango and you try to get it installed with the Flowmasters, they will have to cut out my resonators. I did not want to get my resonators cut out, so I had my original resonators in, but I went ahead and got these Thrush. And they have some thump to them, and they sound good. But here's an option for you, make a long story short. Okay, baby, go ahead, start up. This sounds good. I'm happy with what I got. Give it a little gas, baby. More. Yeah, that's how V8's supposed to sound. Do it again, babe. That's what I'm talking about. So if you're looking for a good exhaust, and guess what? My two Flowmasters cost me $170-80 I was able to get both of these Thrush, which I'm not getting dirty. I'm clean right now. I don't have one. I want to show you underneath. Two circular center Thrush, and these things cost me, you never guess, $40 a piece on Amazon. $40 a piece for some monster growl. This baby, when I put it in sports mode, she kicks, and I'm very happy with my investment. So $80 for both exhausts, and then it only cost me, well, not only, but it cost me $250 to have it installed by a professional installer. It sounds great. One more time, babe. That's what I'm talking about. And it doesn't have that raspy, what's it called? Just straight cutting off the resonators and mid-muffler sound to me. This is what I like. So if that's what you guys want, I'm gonna give you a quick tip. Look at some Thrush rattlers. That's what I have. Thrush rattlers, $40 each. These babies, they rumble, they growl, they sound good. I can imagine if I cut off my resonators. Okay, that's all I gotta say, guys. Dodge RT Durango 2018. I'm gonna do the same thing to my other Dodge 2017.